Reach all your gear in 1.1 seconds. Introducing the Top Shelf Camera Bag, the first camera bag to give you full access to all your gear in one smooth, seamless action. For decades, camera bags have struggled to balance speed with access. After 5 years of prototyping and testing, we finally created the world's first open layout bag that gives you both. Just swing, click, and have all your gear ready at your fingertips. Top Shelf features a fast access latch that opens quickly when you need it and securely locks with a simple press. Don't worry about equipment falling out. It's the same system used to secure hoods in race cars, so your gear is safe. And if you want, zip it up for extra security. The bag swings into a flat tabletop position, creating a stable platform for you to switch lenses, bodies, batteries, filters, or cards. It also makes a great workstation in the field, and an impromptu stabilizer for video shots. Customizable dividers give you endless options to organize your gear, accommodating for the largest lenses and smallest accessories. Best of all, you can quickly switch between a sling bag and a backpack without Top Shelf ever touching the ground. Enjoy speedy access when shooting and even weight distribution when traveling. If you don't have time to switch, a side access door gives you fast access to preferred gear in backpack mode. Top Shelf also features a side pocket with a hidden laptop sleeve and phone slot, 2 additional front pockets for extra gear, and a hidden tripod strap for easy carry. Speed, access, security, stability. Top Shelf is everything you need and want in a camera bag. Back our campaign now and never waste another second reaching for gear again. We are Bevis Gear. We're adventurers and photographers just like you. We made Top Shelf to solve our own needs, but it's now expanding to so much more. We're ready to start manufacturing and just need the funds to make it happen. We promise to continue to innovate and create powerful solutions for your everyday problems. Thank you for supporting us. We couldn't do this without you. Order yours now and never waste a second reaching for gear again.
This is Anvanda, a great fucking bag. 2 years ago we created this bag, also called Anvanda. It was also a great fucking bag. A lot of you thought so anyway. So now we got this new one. We guess we'll call it Anvanda V2. Awesome name, marketing team. After making the first bag, we got a lot of feedback from our customers. We sifted through it and learned that the most important aspect of a second bag is that you'll be able to carry your shit in it. So Anvanda V2 has 2 features. It looks great, and it lets you carry your shit. It doesn't have arranging cues, integrated lights, or stealth mode. It just carries shit. Anvanda V2 has many pockets, all distributed in the unique method of put your shit wherever you want. You don't even have to worry if your shit is smelly. The entire bag is silver lined, so you can put your smelly shit in whatever pocket you want and it won't stink up the rest of your shit. Anvanda V2 has a sturdy back. Probably some of you asked for it, can't remember. There were like 2,000 trillion different requests. But a sturdy bag is good, cause now you can take it to places where a sturdy bag is needed. Like hiking between branches or resting on this big pile of knives. Your bag, do whatever the fuck you want with it. Anvanda V2 opens either like this or like this. You can choose which is better for you to find the shit that you put inside this great bag. There are also straps. You need those to carry a bag. The straps and back are padded with an airflow system so you don't sweat. We call this system Easy Carry, cause it's easy to carry. Yeah, we're not brilliant with names. We're pretty fucking good at bags though. Then there's the USB connection. That one we know you asked for. A lot. Cause you're all digital nomads now or something. So we put in a USB connection so you can charge shit. Here's a quick list of shit you can charge. Sure, charge Woof Woof. Everyone needs a friend. Our bags are lined with the best quality leather we could find, aka full grain Italian leather. But if you don't like leather, there's a leather-free option made from literally the best non-leather material. Our hooks are made of zinc alloy, and our zippers are top-of-the-line YKK zippers. It's a simple bag, but high quality. Anvanda V2 comes in many colors, and can be used by both men and women. Now that's versatility. You can use Anvanda V2 on the street, on a trip, near a lake, at a cafe, really anywhere that you need to carry your shit to. Anvanda V2 is made by the same people who made Anvanda. They wanted to create another bag that looks great and you can carry shit in. So they thought about it, looked at some feedback, used some of it, designed the bag, probably wasted some of the money they made from the first bag, and now it's here. So if you need a great fucking bag, this is a great fucking bag. And with easy carry and sturdiness, it's also pretty awesome for day trips. So that's a whole world of shit you can put in it. Great bag, carries shit, sturdy and comfortable. What more do you need? Ship to charge and bag not included.
Two years ago, we set out to change the way backpacks are used. We redesigned everything. Every seam and buckle, and we released Joey. And you loved it. All your support inspired us to challenge ourselves even further. So we started thinking about today's wallets. Let's face it. Wallets are either bulky and uncomfortable, or way too minimal. So we came up with something new. It combines handcrafted traditional materials with an innovative design. Meet DJIN. DJIN has just 2 compartments. You can access everything you need in one swift motion. The stainless steel clip can hold 10 cards, 20 bills, or any combination of the two, so there's no wasted space. Coins? DJIN has a pocket that holds everything, from coins to keys to USB sticks. We've also given DJIN a concealed drawer for the small items you need to keep safe. Oh, and once again, we've got your back. DJIN comes with an RFID blocking card, so forget about your information being stolen. Everything about this wallet is thin and light. We make it out of leather or microfiber, so you can choose the style that's right for you. DJIN is tiny, but it's got room for everything you need. Every day, everywhere. This is our second campaign, and once again, we're ready for production. We just need your support to make it happen. From our whole team here at Koala Gear, we want to thank you for bringing DJIN to life.